See, children, we were talking about the because this is the most serious type of heart attack. Okay, the most serious type of heart attack is indicated by this signal only, and this signal is what I was trying to just now tell you, that there is an elevation in the ST wala line. This is the most serious kind of heart attack, which is also known as STEMI in medical language. STMI. What is it called?
STEMI.
STEMI.
Myocardial infarction. Myocardial in. This is the most serious kind of heart attack. So if there is an ECG, the person has some chest pain and the person is taken to the hospital, ECG is observed by the doctors. The first thing they will look for is the ST. If there's an ST elevation, this means there's a very serious heart attack. There's a myocardial infarction, which means that the major arteries, any one of the arteries which is supplying oxygen and nutrient rich blood to your heart, is blocked. What will it indicate? It will indicate that one of the major blocked. This is what we call as ST segment elevation, or you also call it as STEMI. This is one of the most serious kind of heart attacks in medical science. So the first thing to see the seriousness of the heart attack, the doctors, they look for this. Okay. Now, beta, if there is an ST depression, you understand what is depression?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am.
If below baseline, if I draw this line as straight line and इसके नीचे चला जाता है T, baseline के नीचे, then we call it an ST depression. If you see, if this is the baseline तो ये थोड़ा ऊपर है, so this is elevation, abnormally ऊपर हो गया, then this is myocardial infarction, that is STEMI, one of the most serious kind of heart attacks. But अगर baseline से नीचे चला गया ये ST वाला part, then it is called as ST depression. Okay, this is another kind of abnormality only, myocardial ischemia. This is an emergent condition. Depressions के साथ people have this problem where there is some problem in breathing. It's basically the mini heart attack feeling wala thing. What is this? This gives you a symbol of what? This is a symbol of a mini heart attack, not a major heart attack, but this is a mini heart attack. It can be a cause also normally कि हाँ भाई बाद में जाकर के you never know ये आगे जाके क्या problems create करेगा. But it's a stress test. Normally, when we go for that means the person is under what? The person is under some kind of hmm?
Stress.
Yes. You must
Stress.
have heard about pain, drop in blood pressure, these kind of symptoms basically. Work rate associated with angina pain बोलते हैं जिसको. Angina pain is that heart attack वाला typical pain जो होता है. That chest pain is known as the angina pain. So whenever there is angina pain, drop of blood pressure, तो ये ST depression indicate कर देता है that this is. सो नॉर्मल ईसीजीज में अगर लोअर डिप्रेशन आता है तो अभी हालात इतने खराब नहीं है, बट इफ इट इज इन एलिवेशन इन द एसटी रेंज, then this shows which kind of an heart attack?
STEMI.
STEMI.
Yes, STEMI. It's a very senior myocardial infarction. I had already told you the meaning of myocardia, if you remember. Myocardial heart we have. So this is myocardial infarction. This is a very serious kind of a heart attack. So even if you get to somewhere, you should see this S range, ST wala part. If ST elevation is higher compared to the normal range, इतना ही होना चाहिए, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं, then this is a serious condition. But if it is at a lower side, things can be improved. There is a signal symptoms of a heart attack could be, so it is better that things are still under control. If I say ST depression, it is basically we are talking about the pain, depression is lower downing of blood pressure. Clear everybody? A rough idea of how to see the ECGs. Okay, tell me next one now. If you see there's a development abnormality when the baby is developing, then the wall of the left ventricle of an infant's heart is as thin as that of the right ventricle. If you remember again, I would tell you when I did the structure of heart, I told you about the thickness of the walls of the atria and the ventricle.
Ma'am.
Okay. Now there is a baby, an infant. The walls of the left ventricle is as thin as the right ventricle. Got my question? So will there be any effect on the baby? Will there be any abnormality or any effect on the flow system or circulatory system? Both the
Yes,
walls are
ma'am.
equal. Yes. What, beta?
Yes,
Tell
ma'am.
me. Tell what
Ma'am,
abnormality?
if it is thin, then the blood won't be transported properly, and all the body organs won't get blood supply.
Excellent. See, this is what happens when your concepts are clear. Question kahin se kaise bhi घुमा के पूछेंगे, you'll be surely able to answer. When we compare the walls of the auricles and ventricles in general, so we said kiska walls thick tha beta?
Ventricles.
Ventricles.
And in ventricles also, when we compared left and right, which one was thicker?
3 times.
3 times.
3 times.
And the reason, very good. And the reason we had discussed was exactly what she told us just now, that blood has to go to all the parts. And what about the other one, where it has to send the blood to?
To both the lungs.
Both the lungs. And lungs are on the either side of the heart. So it is not very distant kind of movement is not needed. What was that region known as, where your heart is located between the lungs?
Mediastinum.
Excellent, children. It's mediastinum. So if your concepts are clear, you could easily answer that if both the membranes or walls are equally thin, then blood will not reach this part. Okay. Next now. Mm, let me ask what kind of question. Yes. What are the two heart sounds which are heard through stethoscope?
Lub and dub.
Lub and dub.
Yes. Which was the first sound?
Lub.
Okay. See, in electrocardiography, beta, PQ interval, PQ interval or PR interval. These terms are there somewhere in some books. You may find them. See, you have PQ interval. This PQ interval is also known as the PR interval. This is the time taken by the impulse to travel through the atria. So what is PQ interval or PR interval? Because I told you this shows what? PQ basically shows here. यहाँ से यहाँ तक it is showing what?
Atria.
Yes. So this PQ interval will show what? It is the time taken by the impulse to travel through what?
Atria.
It lasts for how many seconds approximately? Any idea?
0.03.
देखो अब हम यहाँ तक पूरा पढ़ लेते हैं R तक. If I talk about the PR interval, then it is taken by the impulse to travel through the atria, AV node. And what is the ST interval representing? Let me talk about ST interval.
Time taken by impulse to travel through ventricles.
Yes, time taken by the impulse to travel through ventricles and its repolarization as well. So this is, when I say PQ, it is the time taken for what? Impulse to travel through atria. Beta, this one. PQ interval shows the time taken by the pulse to travel through atria, and ST will show you what?
Travel through ventricles.
One small topic which I have ignored, that is difference between circulatory systems, open circulatory system and closed circulatory system. Because you have done this in class 9th and 10th, I did not take it in detail. But since I have 3-4 minutes, let me finish off with that as well. Who will tell me the difference between closed circulatory system and open circulatory system, and which one is more efficient and why? First, tell me what is the difference between open circulatory and closed circulatory system. Anybody, beta?
Ma'am, in open circulatory system, the blood is not in the veins or arteries. It lies free in the body, in the cavity.
Very
Whereas
good. Good.
in the
Too good.
closed circulatory system, it is in the arteries and veins.
Basically blood vessels. Very good. See, open No pipes are there, no arteries, no veins, no vessels are there. The name itself is very clear, open circulatory system. Whatever blood is pumped by the heart, it is pumped into the body cavities, and these body cavities are known as sinuses. SINUSES. What are these body cavities known as?
Sinuses.
Sinuses.
Here, blood will not contain those respiratory pigments. Mostly in such cases, blood does not contain respiratory pigments. And even if there is a respiratory pigment, it is generally dissolved in the blood. You will find open circulatory system. So which two categories you are going to find this kind of system very quickly?
Arthropods and
Arthropods and
mollusks.
mollusks.
When I say
Mollusks.
circulatory system, that means the blood pumped by the heart is circulated inside the vessels, proper vessels you have. Okay, it is never present in those cavities or spaces. What was the word I had used for cavity and spaces?
Sinuses.
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 If we talk about evolution, then compared to the open circulatory system, because the blood can reach even the deepest part of the body, and all the chordates, annelids, you will have this system. Can we have very quickly the difference between open circulatory system? When I say open circulatory system, the blood is pumped by the heart into the blood open spaces, which are known as,
Sinuses.
Sinuses.
and in closed circulatory system, it is pumped into closed blood vessels. Beta, when I say open circulatory system, there is no tube-like structure, so they are in direct contact with the cells. But in closed circulatory system, blood is not in direct contact with the cells. In open circulatory system, the exchange of the gases, nutrients, waste products will take place directly between the blood and the cells because it's in direct contact. So it will take place directly. But in closed circulatory system, all these things like gases, nutrients, waste, they will be done through fluids. You'll have a fluid and then to the heart very slowly in open circulatory system. But in closed circulatory system, blood returns to the heart quickly as compared to which system? Open circulatory system. If we compare the blood pressure, then the pressure of the blood is low in open circulatory system, and it is more in which kind of a circulatory system?
Closed circulatory
Closed
system.
circulatory system.
Closed
And
circulatory.
last difference which I told you, that the respiratory pigments, either they are not present, and even if they're present, then they're dissolved in the blood plasma in open circulatory system. But in respiratory pigment, basically in closed circulatory system, we have respiratory pigments present, and they may be dissolved in plasma, and basically they are held in which? In the RBCs. Mainly very less in plasma, mainly in what? In the RBCs. So which one is considered to be a better system, open or closed?
Close.
Closed one. This is a better system compared to the open one system.
Ma'am, because exchange of gases takes place very quickly.
Yes, it takes place quickly also. Anything else we can think of? Anyway,
Blood,
that is important.
blood
This is,
reaches each and every part of the body.
yes, that is the most important thing, that it is reaching the deepest parts also. Any deep cell also is going to receive the blood. So we generally consider this system as a, it takes, obviously if the speed is more, it will take less time to circulate in the entire body system. So, and the process of exchange of gases, removal of materials, providing nutrition, everything is done at a quicker pace. So that is why this system is considered to be better. One question which I'm giving you as a homework. A fish heart pumps only deoxygenated blood. Yes or no, and why? I hope my question is clear. Even if I start a chapter, I want this answer from you. A fish heart pumps only deoxygenated blood. Yes or no? And if you say yes, then why? If no, then why? Clear? The question is okay for everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the question?
That a fish heart pumps only deoxygenated blood.
Okay. One last thing, 1 second I would need of yours. If a patient ECG shows an abnormality, long delay between the P wave and the QRS deflection. देखो बेटा, P wave and QRS. P के बाद QRS आने में बहुत टाइम लग जा रहा है, ये इतना गैप ना होके बहुत लंबा हो जा रहा है. Then what does that ECG represent? That is one more thing I would like to tell you. If there is a long gap between the P wave and the QRS deflection, इसका मतलब क्या हो रहा है? There is a long delay हो रहा है. So there is a delay of conduction from the atria to the ventricles, isn't it? This was atria, this was ventricles. So this will very clearly show कि delay हो रहा है. किस चीज में delay हो रहा है? Conduction of the impulse from the atria to the ventricles. इसका मतलब जो stimulation कहाँ से आ रहा था? SA node से. To the ventricles, the conduction is very slow. From SA node to AV node, from AV node to ventricles, through the fibers of his, वो जो पूरा entire process है वो बहुत धीरे धीरे हो रहा है. This is what is depicted when there is a long gap between the P wave and the QRS wave. Understood this last part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Because P shows depolarization of atria, QRS is showing depolarization of ventricles. And when I did conducting system, I told you atria से पहले SA node to AV node bundle of his, right and left bundle of his, Purkinje fibers, and then it is going to go to ventricles. तो ये बहुत जल्दी जल्दी हो जाना चाहिए. I told you less than how much time it should take? चलो, never mind. This gap, long gap shows that there is a delay. बहुत slow चल रहा है, जो conduction हो रहा है impulse का वो बहुत slow हो रहा है. Again, it is an abnormality of the heart. So rough idea of how to read ECGs is done. So let's meet tomorrow. We'll continue with a new thing tomorrow. God bless you all, Vichi. You can leave the meeting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank you,
Vichi.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, Peter.
ma'am, in the question you have given, which
Yes. Homework.
oxygenated blood is transported to where, which we have to tell.
No. My question is, a fish heart pumps only deoxygenated blood. Fish के heart में सिर्फ deoxygenated blood ही होता है या oxygenated भी होता है? You have to basically find out and tell me. I am saying कि fish के heart में सिर्फ deoxygenated blood pump होता है. You have to tell me whether my statement is right or wrong, and if it is right, then why right? If it is wrong, then why it is wrong. Question clear? My question is what? Yes, heart fish of a heart is only deoxygenated. Clear? If you still have any doubt, you can drop a personal message to me. I'll send you the question. Okay? No
Okay, ma'am.
issues. Okay, beta. God bless. Bye.